Bruce. Sit. Good boy. Wanna shake? Shake. Good boy. Good boy, Bruce. Lay down. Good boy. Good boy. Look at them chops. Look at them chops. Hey, Bruce. I can't see you. Look, he matches my bedspread. It's a closet. You got me backed into a corner. You're so pretty. Sit. Good boy. You're so pretty, Bruce. Can I zoom? Nope, no zoom. Oh, you want to shake now? You want to shake now? You want to shake? Yeah. Well, this is Bruce. He's my boxer. We got him from the Humane Society. He was picked up as a stray. No. And they say he is about 4 years old. And he has turned out to be an excellent dog. As you can see, he listens well. Sit. Yeah, they're like kids. Bruce, sit. Good boy. And I love his coloring. I've been told it's a reverse brindle. I'm not exactly sure. He was 47 pounds when we got him, and now he's almost 90, so he's a healthy boy. Okay, well, Bruce, one more time. Good boy. Yeah, you're a sexy dog. Yeah. Good boy. Okay.